Turn on the device until the QR code appears. Encienda la máquina hasta que aparezca el código QR. For Android, open it with the default browser and switch to the app download page. For iOS, search for Jumiyushi directly in the app store and download and install it. Open the installed app and allow all pop-up permission requests. Media page. There are two connection methods. Wi-Fi connection is recommended by default. Internet connected mode. Connect the device and the app to the same Wi-Fi for pairing. Offline mode, peer-to-peer mode. No external network is required, and there is no need to. Enter the Wi-Fi account and password. It's a 1-to-1 direct connection, which is convenient and fast. The device can support up to 3 mobile phones to connect simultaneously. After a successful connection, the number icon in the upper left corner will change accordingly. More function buttons. Upload. Click to upload the video picture or music file you want to transfer. You can create a new folder while uploading files. Scan. Click to enter the scanning page. Share. Click to enter the device sharing QR code page. Search. Can search for device files. File details display. You can choose to download the file. Click to play the file. Add the file to the favorites list. Rename each file to change its name. Select and delete the file you want to remove. Thumbnail display. Long press to enter the file selection and editing mode. Check multiple files to batch. Download them to your mobile phone. Check multiple files to add them to the favorites list. Check multiple files to delete them. Check one file to rename it. Location button. Click to locate the currently playing file. Bottom function bar. Pause the playback of the file. Enter the file playback list. Interaction page. You can control the files in the device through the function buttons here. Screen off button. Click to turn off the device screen and click again to turn it on. Calendar button. Click to enter the calendar. Playback page on the device. Playback progress. Displays the current playback progress of the file. You can drag the progress bar when playing a video. Playback file type filter. Loop mode button. Volume and brightness adjustment. Playback list. Switch time. Navigate to the previous next file and pause, play. My page. More devices. Enter the device list. Management. Click to format the device. Display settings. Adjust brightness, saturation, and contrast. Auto rotation switch when turned off. The device screen will not rotate even if the device is rotated. Display mode. The display method of files with different resolutions on the device. Boot screen. You can customize the boot screen and crop the picture to the appropriate ratio. Switching effect. Customize the picture switching effect. Switching time. Customize the display time of pictures. Boot time. Customize the time period during which the device can be turned on. Auto mute. Set the time after which the device enters the mute state if there is no operation. Alarm clock. Set an alarm for the device. Calendar. Calendar display switch. Set whether the device displays the calendar. Delay setting. Set the time after which the device automatically displays the calendar if there is no operation. Overlay setting. Select the color of the overlay under the calendar. Style setting. Customize the style and content of the calendar. Privacy settings. User password. USB connection. You can set a user password after setting. Other mobile phones need to enter the password when connecting via QR code scanning. System. App. Version number. Check the app version number and upgrade if there is a new version. Device version number. Check the device version and upgrade here if there is a new version. Privacy policy. View the specific content of the privacy policy. Network settings. Set the connection method to hotspot mode. You can connect to the device and view device files without a Wi-Fi connection. Gift sending settings. Restore the device to the initial network configuration stage. The built-in files can still be retained, which is convenient for the recipient to use and operate. Wireless screen mirroring. Turn on the switch to enable the function. When using mobile phone screen mirroring, select the device name to mirror the mobile phone screen to the device. Android screen mirroring. iOS screen mirroring.